Welcome to the demo on LDRA integration with Kovair, established through Kovair Omnibus. In this video we will show how Kovair and LDRA complement each other. We will show how Omnibus helps organizations to synchronize the low-level testing done at LDRA with different phases of application lifecycle management maintained in Kovair. At first, let me open TB Manager from LDRA tool and open an existing project. Here I have a requirement and test group defined in the project. Now, in order to import requirements from Kovair ALM, I need to click on Import from Kovair and connect the application through plugin. I have already defined a set of requirements in Kovair and will import the same in LDRA. In order to connect the application, let's put the web API URL, username and password and connect. Once LDRA is connected to Kovair, we will click on the Load Workspaces button to load the workspaces from the Kovair application. Now let me select the workspace of Kovair where I showed you the defined product backlogs. After selecting the workspace, I will select the artifact, which in this case is product backlog. Now I will load the product backlogs from Kovair within LDRA after selection of proper view and filter. Once I click on Load Items, it will show the list of items from Kovair. Now I will click on Import for importing the records in Kovair. Once I click on Import, it will allow to select or deselect any item that is not required to be imported. Here I will import all items. After import, all stories will start appearing under Requirements group in LDRA. As the stories are now getting displayed within LDRA, I will map my existing test case with one of the stories. Once done, I will export the test case to Kovair. As soon as I click on Export, it will give me the option to map the fields of LDRA test case to that of Kovair. After exporting the test case to Kovair, let me now map a source file to the same requirement in LDRA. Now let me go to Kovair. As you can see that the test case has got successfully imported to Kovair. This way, once LDRA test cases get synchronized with Kovair, users can execute the test cases from Kovair itself without getting inside LDRA tool. Let me now change the view and show you that once the execution of the test case is over, the reports are fetched from LDRA and get stored in Kovair as an attachment to the test case. As the file is in zip format, let me download the file and show you the content inside it. I will extract the .zip file first. Once extracted, I will open the HTML report inside it. This HTML report has been fetched from LDRA through Kovair Omnibus. You can see that this report shows a detailed analysis of the test execution. This way, LDRA and Kovair complement each other by integrating all phases of application lifecycle. This was a brief overview of the integration between Kovair and LDRA. Thank you for watching. For a detailed demo on the entire offering of Kovair Omnibus, please contact sales@kovair.com.